Our lead story is the colossal blizzard in the United States, and almost 50 people have lost their lives because of the falling temperatures and the rising winter in the United States. 27 people have been killed in just New York City's Buffalo. Now, the New York's governor warned that the danger from a massive blizzard is not over just yet, and communities near Buffalo are bracing for as much as additional foot of snow. And Divya, the temperatures are going as low as minus 36 degrees Fahrenheit.
Minus 40, Priyanshi, to be precise, and that is what the National Weather Service has recorded. In fact, 49 inches of snowfall in Buffalo itself, and officials have claimed that the storm has now claimed 27 deaths across the western New York state. Close to 50 people have died in the recent storm. Hundreds of flights have been delayed or cancelled, and this is on account of that storm. Thousands of people have been waiting at airports, and do remember, this is right after Christmas, which is when people are headed back home. It's the holiday season as far as the United States is concerned. So many travelers, they're stranded at the airports. They're either waiting to rebook their flights. Some of them have totally been cancelled.
That's right.
We're still in the throes of this very dangerous, life-threatening situation. Just because people might see the sky a little bit today, those storms, the wind, the velocity, the volume, it's coming back, and it's going to come back tonight.
Following Friday's bomb cyclone, wind chills are at minus 40 degrees Celsius in some parts of the US, with reports of frozen bodies being found inside cars in the middle of streets and trapped in houses. Over 36 people have died in this massive winter storm that continues to blast much of the US with brutal winter weather. Parts of western New York have been buried by up to 43 inches of snow, leaving vehicles stuck and thousands of homes and businesses without electricity. New York's governor says the situation is still life-threatening.
We're still in the throes of this very dangerous, life-threatening situation. Just because people might see the sky a little bit today, those storms, the wind, the velocity, the volume, it's coming back.
So travelers' weather woes are likely to continue, with hundreds of domestic and international flight cancellations this morning as well. Since the start of the monstrous Arctic storm, the number of outages has at times exceeded 1 million customers. Winter storm warnings remain in effect in New York for Buffalo, as 10 million people are under freeze alerts across the US even today. As per forecasters, a moderating trend should set in on Tuesday. Parmeshwar Bava for NDTV.